Welcome back, fellow hobbyists. In this video, I'll be painting the Jovial Bard from Tabletop World's Kickstarter. This figurine was designed and 3D printed by Tiny Furniture. While I am painting, I'll be talking about ways to develop unique color schemes for our miniatures. Tiny Furniture has already painted a version of this model in very bright primary colors. I'm gonna try to choose some different colors to create my own color scheme. As you can see, I've already cleaned and primed the model. I'll be using simple techniques, and I'm gonna show you all the paint colors that I'll use. Feel free to share your thoughts and ask questions in the comment section. Now, let's talk about color schemes. Painting miniature goes beyond precision and technique. It's also about unleashing your creativity to develop unique and eye-catching color schemes. To begin, closely examine the miniature itself. Specific elements, such as the bard's loop, can serve as a great starting point to crafting an unusual color scheme. Next, consider the mood you wish to convey through your miniature. Whether it's a fierce warrior, a mischievous rogue, or a mystical mage, different colors can evoke various emotions. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow often symbolize bravery or aggression, while cooler colors like blue and purple may suggest mystery or wisdom. Opt for colors that align with your character's personality. In our case, the bard represents a cheerful character who inspires joy and celebration. However, it could just as easily evoke bravery or melancholy through the themes of his songs. To create a unique shade, I'll mix maroon red with gray instead of using a color straight out of the bottle. I'll be painting the lute's body with a faded rose color. This choice, though unconventional for a lute, suggests that the instrument is the work of a master craftsman, imbued with a touch of magic. For the main piece of clothing, I'll consult the color wheel. To create contrast with the darker lute, I'll choose a lighter, cooler color. In this case, I've settled on a soft apple green, which is on the opposite side of the color wheel from red. Moving on to the hat, pants and socks, I'll opt for bright and lively colors to emphasize the character's joyful nature. To enhance the festive look furthermore, I'll style these garments as a jester's costume. In addition to the first two colors, I'll expand the palette by incorporating yellow, blue and red into the mix. After finishing the painting, I decided to add some freehand detail to make the bard truly unique. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you appreciate my work, give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to be notified when the next video comes out. In the next video, I'll be crafting a spooky tree for the cottage diorama. Next up, in the Altburg Market series, I'll be adding more life to the scene by painting additional townsfolk from the ale stall. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy painting and take care.